The Association of PEMF Professionals works with practitioners all over the world to ensure people interested in pulsed electromagnetic field therapies receive only the highest quality treatments for themselves and their animals. The Association of PEMF Professionals was established to advance PEMF through education, advocacy, and research. The OPP provides practitioners with the resources they need to deliver safe and effective PEMF therapy treatments and educates the public on the benefits of PEMF therapy. They advocate for policies that support access to PEMF therapy and conduct research to expand understanding of how PEMF therapy can be used to improve health and well-being. By working with the OPP, practitioners can be confident that they are providing their clients with the best possible care. Need to know more? Call 50-274-18807 or email info@pemfprofessionals.com. You may also visit www.pemfprofessionals.com.